In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an appointment schedule in Google Calendar with this 2025 full guide. This process will help you efficiently manage your time and make sure all your appointments are neatly organized in one accessible place. So let's dive in and walk through each step together. First things first, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google Calendar. Simply type Google Calendar in the search bar and you'll be on your way. Once you reach the Google Calendar page, locate the Sign In button and click it. This will prompt you to enter your Google account credentials, so go ahead and log in. With your account ready and loaded, let's move on to creating an appointment schedule. Look for the plus create button, usually a prominent feature in the interface, and give it a click. This action will present you with several options and you'll want to select Appointment Schedule. Now comes the fun part, entering the details of your appointment. You'll start by providing a name for your schedule and deciding on the duration for each appointment slot. It's a good idea to think about how much time you'll need for each meeting or event before setting these durations. Next, let's talk about general availability. This step involves choosing when you'd like to be available for appointments. To streamline this process, you can click on Repeat Weekly and customize recurring events according to your schedule, whether it's daily, weekly, or monthly. Time zones can be tricky, especially if you're handling appointments with people in different regions. Thankfully, you can easily set your time zone to ensure all parties are on the same page. Providing this clarity will help avoid any potential confusion down the road. After that, click on the scheduling window. Here, you can set start and end times for when bookings can be made, allowing you full control over your schedule. Adjust these settings according to your preferences, ensuring they reflect your needs and availability. With the main elements set up, it's time to refine your preferences further. Click on the Calendars option to specify which calendar your appointments should sync with. This can be particularly useful if you're managing multiple calendars. As we wrap up, let's take care of the finishing touches. Click on Booked Appointment Settings to customize the experience for those scheduling time with you. Once you're satisfied, it's time to click Next and follow through by adding more details related to your booking page photo, name, and any specific information you wish to include. In the booking form, add extra items if necessary, then move on to booking confirmations and reminders. This will help you keep track of everything and ensure your recipients get timely notifications about their appointments. Finally, don't forget to click Save. You've now successfully set up your appointment schedule. To share the schedule, just click Copy Link and send it to your recipients. This way, they can book time with you seamlessly, making your scheduling process easier and more efficient than